Hello again. This video will show you how to make an alternate schedule, especially for Super Fridays, or Super Specials, I'm sorry, which are on Fridays, and for early dismissal days too, once we get our schedules. So here's where we're going to begin. The first thing we're going to do, just on my plans, but I'm going to go to classes because we need to adjust our schedule there. Here, it should say regular schedule. So we're going to click on regular schedule and we're going to then click on add alternate day. If you click on that, it gives you a place to type in a title. So I'm going to call this Super Specials Kindergarten. I'm doing that because when you look at the schedule for specialists, I would have this block of time that would be kindergarten. And then it's in the afternoon, it's going to be fifth, first, and so on. It appears that on for classroom teachers you would need to do two alternate days. One for the day that you are in collab from 8:25 to 11:10. So that would be one schedule. And then the other schedule would be when you're not in collab. So for example, when kindergarten's in collab, fifth grade is not. So fifth grade would have a different schedule. So your schedule would begin at 8:25. Your specials would be 11:40 here to 12:05, and then you would have your afternoon. So this is how this is going to work. Fifth grade, unfortunately, it looks like your days are not your times. I'm sorry, for super specials are not consistent. Everybody else's are. So kindergarten through through fourth, you would only need two schedules. Fifth grade, you're probably going to want to do one for each time your schedule changes. So you might want to do yours similar to how I'm going to do mine for the specialist. And the same goes for IRR teachers and ESOL teachers, because your schedule is probably going to be different since kindergarten would be in the morning with specialists. So if you were seeing kindergarten students, you would have to wait till the afternoon to see them in the classroom or to pull them out. So let's figure out how we're going to do this. So I have titled mine Super Specials Kindergarten. I'm going to click a check. So now in order to apply your alternate schedule, I am on my lesson plans, and Friday is the Super Specials for kindergarten. So what we are going to do, we're actually going to go make an event. So we're going to go to the events under the Planbook bar. And you are going to go over here and click add an event. And you're going to add the event. So I'm going to put Super Specials K. This is when, for me, this is when kindergarten has the block of time in the morning. I am going to put the start date, which is August 11th, and I'm going to have it end on the same day. You're going to put the start time, which it's still 7:10 because that's when we come to school, to 2:45. Okay, and that's going to be PM. All right. Then we're going to mark, instead of regular schedule, we want to put Super Case Specials. Notice it's not a private event and it's no school. If it's a private event, that means it's something for just your own personal use. So others won't see it, like admin. All right, so once you've done that, we are going to click our check mark so we can save it. And then let's go back and look at our lesson plans. So if you see This hat says it's super special day. Notice this has been adjusted. My planning is now 8 to 8:25, whereas it was 8 to 8:45. I'm seeing kindergarten from 8:40 to 11:10. Even though we see 4 different classes, I'm putting them all under one. And then you see I had 5th grade and 1st grade and so on. So it has applied the schedule to that day. And that is how you create an alternate schedule and apply it to the day that you would like to apply it to.